When it comes to making a statement with your SUV, there's nothing quite as emotional as the Cadillac Escalade. But if you want it to be the smart choice as well, you're gonna have to add a little IQ. Ha! That's right. This is the Cadillac Escalade IQ. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I know what you're thinking. This is not just Cadillac slapping the battery in there. This has been designed from the ground up. It does 750 horsepower, over 460 miles of range. This thing can also power your home, but let's forget about those numbers. How do they translate? Come along, let's go for a drive and find out. All right, let's start with first impressions because you never get a second chance to make a first impression. So we're driving the highest end L model. It's slightly longer wheelbase. It's a luxury model. You got 24-inch rims on this thing, which is just mind-boggling. And then there's also a sport model, and of course there's still the gasoline models. Plus they have a bulletproof version as well. They cater to every sort of taste and palate for the Cadillac Escalade. Now, I got a confession to make. I've been starting to warm up a little bit to the whole EV idea. I know, don't shoot me, right? And so far, from what I'm feeling here with the Escalade IQ, is it's a direct beneficiary of this EV technology. It was always a very quiet vehicle, so you now even quieter. It's buttery smooth. The acceleration is absolutely responsive. You wouldn't believe you were driving a 9,000-pound car. Here's something that surprised me. Like, I expected the buttery smooth ride. I didn't expect that turning circle. This feels like a regular sized SUV. It feels more maneuverable than it should be. Now, let's feel what 750 horsepower feels like. Jeez, the thing went sideways. It went like this. But it's not violent. You know what? That was powerful, but not violent. It's not instant like a light switch when you got those little lightweight EVs. It feels like you flicked on a light switch and you're bang into the seat, and there's nothing comfortable about that. But with something this big, right, it's not enough that you want to go fast. It's not enough that you can say, oh, you can get to 100 in under 5 seconds, which for something like this is crazy. What's crazier is getting something like that and not having the stopping power, which is why we have the upgraded brakes on this Cadillac Escalade. This is about the size of a traffic cone. I mean, this is huge. Look at this. Let's talk about the battery, because that's, of course, at the very heart of this car and any EV. And this has a 205 kilowatt-hour battery, one of the biggest in the entire production car market. About the 650 to 700 kilometer range, which is fine. It's just like your phone, right? You're going to charge your phone every day. So you don't need like a 7-day or a 10-day battery life. You just need something that's really going to get you through the day. That's what they've done to this. Another thing that's pretty cool about this car is the vehicle-to-home technology. You can basically use this as your big giant power bank. If ever you have a brownout at home, you can just plug in and use this. If you're going camping, it could do the same thing. Another thing that's important to note is this thing can fast charge up to 350 kilowatts. See, these are some of the little problems that it's solving that's making EVs a little bit more palatable to people like me. See, in the beginning, we were very skeptical because we're like, I don't know, too much of a learning curve, range anxiety. Now it's starting to really become a cohesive package that makes sense even to people who were born in the Ice Age, like me. Now, the only other thing you would want to know about an Escalade here in the Philippines is how do you get these things serviced? We don't have a Cadillac dealer here officially in the country. But this is why Speed 7 is so important, because for over 40 years, they've been selling hard-to-find cars just like the Cadillac Escalade, and not just helping you source it, but servicing them for you as well. So they take on the full journey with you. You want to make sure that you're only purchasing from somewhere that has crossed every T and dotted every single I. Speed 7 will never shortcut in any of that. This is why I like working with them. They get the best of cars, and they also do it completely above board. Diego, I'll ask you. I'm sold on the Escalade, but why Speed 7?
Well, because to start here in Speed 7, we can do everything for you already. From the importation, with all the taxes, even as far as after sales, we can do all of those for you. So,
You've been doing this for a while?
You know what? We imported the very first Cadillac Escalade here in the Philippines, year 2001.
One? I was barely born.
So can you believe
Wow.
it? That's been 25 years ago.
That's crazy. So you've got after sales, so you take care of all of that. You have your own base. It's not like you outsource it.
Yep.
This is in-house. You've got the EV now, you've got the gasoline, which a lot of us still love, and you've also got bulletproof. Do you do the bulletproofing yourself?
Okay, so we have Sentry luxury cars doing that for us. Sentry Bulletproof Philippines is offering level 6, level 4, depending on what level that you'd want us to make for you. We also offer all of our clients complete warranties. So we give out warranties for parts and lifetime service warranty.
So again, 1987. You've been around longer than just about everyone in the industry, so that's your peace of mind. Anything else you want to add?
When you buy your cars from us, what we promise you is we'll be giving you a complete 360 degrees after sales service. Because you know what, after buying your cars, we make sure that we attain client satisfaction. And of course, the very best reward is the referral and word of mouth.
Or as I like to say, you like to go on this journey with them.
Yes.
So that's the Cadillac Escalade in a nutshell. It's the kind of vehicle that, well, shows that you've made it, right? Now, I'm not going to get into the whole argument about the environment. For me, the way I rate EVs now is, are they as good or better than the ICE equivalent? Forget the other narrative. Let other people argue about that and protest with their signs. I'm here to evaluate hardware for hardware. Does this deliver the same, if not better experience than its gasoline counterpart? And in this particular case, I think it does. Of course, there is gonna always be that demand for the big V8. Yes, that's never gonna go. But if you're coming into it for luxury, for performance, this thing here makes a really, really solid case. But what makes an even more solid case is the support system you have when you do get your Cadillac Escalade IQ from Speed 7, is because they're going to take care of everything. They're very comfortable with servicing EVs. They've been doing it for a long time. They also have been servicing Escalades for a long time. They want to go on the same journey with you. And that's why we tied up with Speed 7, because we know we can trust them. And you can get all, not just these cars, but very hard to find cars in one spot. So until then, this is Tito James. Keep an eye out until the next exotic vehicle that we'll be showcasing from Speed 7. Drive safely, folks.